Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in Easy Crypto Exchange. When you enter the website for registration, click on sign up. Check this box to agree to the terms and conditions of the website, then you can register with linking your account to Google, Facebook, Apple, or register with email. We choose email, enter your email address, then click on continue. Choose a password for your account, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, plus minimum 10 characters or more. After entering the password, click on continue. We're going to receive a code in order to verify our email. Go to your email, click on Easy Crypto, copy the code, then paste it here. We entered our account's dashboard. Our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in Easy Crypto Exchange. Good luck.